today we'll be discussing about cornea, okay, and we'll be discussing mainly in the anatomy of the cornea, okay. And now let us talk about the cornea. Before talking about the cornea, let us just define eyeball codes, okay. And eyeball codes are three things. They are fibrous, okay, vascular, and neural, okay. In fibrous we have cornea and the sclera. Cornea is 1/5, sclera is 5/6, okay. Now today we'll be talking about the anatomy of the cornea, okay. In anatomy of the cornea, you can see over here, dimension of the cornea is transparent, anterior 1/5 diameter of the eyeball, okay. You can see in the figure, okay. So this is the eyeball and this part is cornea, okay, which is transparent, thin center. There is thin at the center and thick at the periphery, okay. And the refractive power is protected diaphragm. And what is the blood supply of the cornea, okay? This is a vascular structure. And what is the nerve supply of the cornea? Nerve supply of the cornea is it is supplied by long ciliary nerves, which are the branches of the nasociliary nerve, okay. Division of fifth cranial nerve. After going about 2 mm in the cornea, the nerve lose their myelin sheath and divide dichotomously and form three plexus, okay. The three plexus are stromal and subepithelial and intraepithelial, okay. Okay, now let us talk about microscopic structure of the cornea, okay. You can see over here, okay, there are main three components. They are just like this, okay. These are endothelium, these are the stromal, okay, and these are epithelium. You can see over here, this is epithelium, okay, this is epithelium, this is stromal, okay, and this is endothelium. And between this layer there is presence of Bowman's membrane, and between these two layers there is presence of two layers. First layer is Duas layer, okay, Duas layer, and last layer is in between this layer is there is Descemet membrane, which is resistant to any pathology, okay. And these are the things we have to know about, okay. And what is the metabolism of the cornea, okay? So metabolism of the cornea take place with the help of many things like metabolism we have, okay. So let us talk about source of nutrients for metabolism. So that is, this metabolism mainly takes on endothelium and the epithelium, and source of nutrients for these things metabolism are solutes like glucose and other, okay. And this there is normally anaerobic glycolysis is taking place, okay. And the solid source are solutes, glucose and others, okay. And this glucose are through simple diffusion active transport, okay, through aqueous humor and by division from the perilimbar capillaries. Oxygen is derived directly from the air through the tear film, okay, directly derived from the air through the tear film. This is an active process undertaken by epithelium, okay. Oxygen is derived directly from the air through the tear film. This is active process. And endothelium require oxygen and glucose for metabolism activities and proper functioning of sodium potassium ATP pump, okay. Energy in the form of ATP is generated by the breakdown of the glucose, okay. And respiratory quotient of cornea is 1%, okay. In this way we have defined the anatomy, histology, and metabolism of the cornea. Lastly we have function of the cornea, okay. Yeah, it provides, it acts as natural refracting medium and it protects intraocular contents, okay. Now finally let us summarize the everything. Okay, cornea is a vascular structure, okay, transparent, composed of anterior 1/3 of the eyeballs, okay, mainly of fibrous tissue layer, okay, that is of fibrous tissue layer, okay. And it is avascular, there is no blood supply, okay. And there are limbal vessels that they are the vessels, okay. So they are the blue vessels, okay, there are loop vessels, okay. They are indeed in their but they are not present in the cornea, but they are present in the subconjunctival tissue, okay, which overlaps the cornea, okay. There is nerve supply, that is long ciliary nerves, okay. And we have 6 layers. They are epithelium, endothelium, and the stromal, okay. In between the epithelium and the stromal we have Bowman's membrane. In the stromals and the endothelium we have Duas layer and Descemet membrane, okay. Descemet membrane is one of the most important things you have to know about, okay. And next thing we have function, and function we have, it provides, okay, it performs, okay, it acts as major refractive medium and it protects the intraocular movements, okay. And we have metabolism of cornea. In cornea metabolism mainly takes place in the endothelium and the epithelium, okay. And the oxygen is taken from the air, okay, air film, air through the air film, and glucose is mainly taken place by glucose, okay. And this glucose is diffused by active transport mechanism or by simple diffusion, okay, and from the aqueous humor. And oxygen is derived directly from the air through the air film, okay. And endothelium require oxygen glucose for metabolism activities and for functioning of sodium potassium ATP form. Normally energy is in the form of ATP that is generated by the breakdown of the glucose, okay. Cornea is vascular, so what happens, there is normally anaerobic glycolysis taking place. And respiratory portion is cornea. After the cornea is one portion, okay. In this way we have completed about the cornea and its anatomy. I hope you have understood, and we'll be coming further with next video. Thank you.